Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out which apps got crashed in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just scroll down below. Now you will see here device care option, just click on it. Now on the right top you will see here one icon, just click on it. Now at the bottom you will see here app issues, just click on it. Now just click on the respective application. Now you can see here this application is crashing frequently. As you can see here, frequent crashes. So by using this inbuilt option, you can easily find out which apps got crashed in Samsung smartphones or tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.